Hi everyone! Tonight for supper I'll be doing a Reuben Bake. What all goes into the Reuben Bake? 8 slices of rye bread. I was looking for the marbled rye, but this will do. 1 pound thinly sliced or shredded corned beef. I got this at our deli. 1 can 14 ounces sauerkraut, drained and rinsed. And by draining it and rinsing it, it won't be such a strong sauerkraut taste. And Dave does not like sauerkraut, but he does like Reuben sandwiches. 2 cups grated Swiss cheese. I have a block here that I'm going to attempt to grate. And 1 cup of Thousand Island dressing. So let's begin. Preheat the oven to 350. Take a 9 by 13 baking dish. It doesn't say, but that's what I'm going with. And lightly grease it with nonstick cooking spray so it doesn't stick. And I've already done that. So what we want to do is we want to make 2 layers of this. So take 4 of the 8 rye slices of bread, cube them, and put the 4 slices in the bottom of the pan. I may add a little bit more because I want it to be completely on the bottom, pretty much covered. You want to have bread in each bite. Dave does not like sauerkraut. I never used to. As long as it's not real strong, I don't mind it. Then take half of your thinly sliced or shredded corned beef, which you would put a half of a pound, lay it on top of the bread. And this is going to be a little bit more than a half a pound. So it looks like I'll probably do about 2 layers of this. Okay, so we got 2 layers of the corned beef on there, which is considered 1 layer. Then take half of your can of the sauerkraut and put that on top of the corned beef. Thank goodness it's not more than 1 can. Like I said, I like sauerkraut in small doses, and it's got to be rinsed and drained. It will have the sauerkraut flavor, but not as heavy as it normally would if you just ate it out of the can. Well, it's looking good so far. It's beginning to look like a Reuben sandwich. Then take half of your cheese. So this would be 1 cup of grated Swiss cheese. I just shredded it. Then take your half a cup of Thousand Island dressing and drizzle it over the cheese. I'm not a big fan of Thousand Island dressing either. It's funny because I don't like rye bread, I don't like sauerkraut, I don't like Thousand Island dressing. Swiss cheese is not one of my favorites, but put them all together and it works. And then repeat the steps. The bread, then the rest of the corned beef, which is a half of a pound, which will probably be 2 layers like the other layer was. I'm sure if you like Reuben sandwiches, you will like this. And a half a can of the sauerkraut. Then your 1 cup of shredded or grated Swiss cheese. Then take the last of your Thousand Island dressing and drizzle that on top. And then put your Reuben Bake in a preheated 350-degree oven for 25 to 30 minutes until it is heated through and the cheese is bubbly. So here is the Reuben Bake. Rounding out the meal is pizza ranch salad. Let's see what Dave thinks.
Cheese?
Well, there is some cheese on it.
Is that rye bread?
That is rye bread.
Is this some kind of Reuben?
It is. It's a Reuben Bake.
That's pretty good. I like it.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.